Hey guys, welcome to Gandhi Tech. I am Habib Ali Usman. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3D logo. So with all that said, let's dive into the video. But before we do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon. Design 3D logo maker. So once you open this, I will load with these beautiful animation buttons. So you just have to wait for it for a little bit of some seconds. So it has some pre-built-in template which you can use if you want. So if you want to go with just a plain background, so you just hit create. Once you did that, so select any logo that you want. Just select logo. So I am going to select this one. You can increase it or decrease the size. Once you do that, here you can change, maybe add a placement, maybe you can add a text to it. Maybe let me just say gaming arena AR gaming arena. So we can just delete this one. So here is our text. Maybe you can choose font size. So let me just see which one will fit. Gaming arena, and the color of the text if you want. I'll make it, let's just make it a little bit dark. If you want, you can rotate the text. Maybe I'll make it to be a little bit 3D, which I'm going to do. Shadow, background of the text, maybe stroke. If you want to add stroke to it, some gradient color, something, opacity of the text. I'm going to leave everything as it is. So once you are done, all you have to do is just hit this download, hit this arrow that indicates download. So you want to save it as, do you want to save logo as JPEG or PNG? So it depends. If you want it to be transparent, so if you want to save it as PNG or JPEG, you can do that. You just go with PNG. So it has already been another logo, so we can choose from any of this. So let's see which one we're going to choose. Tons of logos. Let me add another one. So as you can see, add some text to the logo. Gamers Paradise. Gamers Club. Let me change the color of the text to white so that it will be transparent. Gamers Club. Let me choose a font family. Gamers Club and a subscribe button down below. So click to subscribe. And also to do, save it as JPEG or PNG file. With all that, we have come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon. That's me, Habib Ali Usman, signing out from Gandhi Tech. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.